Most welcome to all of you in your bio class. Okay. Now, today topic is operon system. Now, first question is what is operon? ये operon क्या होता है? Operon is a functional part of DNA which have a specific type of genes like regulator gene, promoter gene, operator gene, and structural gene. All these genes are arranged in specific sequence and acts as a regulatory units. So such parts of DNA is called as operon. ऐसा पार्ट डीएनए का फंक्शनल पार्ट जिसके पास ये सारे जीन हो, रेगुलेटर जीन हो, प्रमोटर जीन हो, ऑपरेटर जीन हो, स्ट्रक्चरल जीन हो और ये स्पेसिफिक सीक्वेंस में अरेंज हो और ये एक सिंगल यूनिट की तरह, रेगुलेटरी यूनिट की तरह काम करें, उसे कहेंगे ऑपेरॉन कहते हैं. द फर्स्ट ऑपेरॉन, इट इज वेरी कॉमन इन ऑपेरॉन सिस्टम, इज वेरी कॉमन इन प्रोकैरियोट्स. द फर्स्ट ऑपेरॉन सिस्टम इज लैक ऑपेरॉन. लैक ऑपेरॉन, फर्स्ट टाइम इट वाज स्टडीड बाय जैकब एंड मोनोड in 1961. It is very clear that what is operon, but what are these gene, regulator gene, promoter gene, operator gene, structural gene, ये क्या होता है? Now, regulator genes are those types of gene which regulates the entire function of the system, that is transcription as well as translation, called as regulator gene. It is indicated by small I because it produces an inhibitory protein. Inhibitory protein, that is repressor. Repressor is produced by I gene, that is regulator gene. Inhibitory protein means it prevents the system, it stops the system, that is transcription and translation do not take place. So it acts in negative sense. So such types of protein called as inhibitory protein, that is repressor. So it is indicated by small I. The next is promoter gene. Promoter gene which promotes, जो क्या करता है, प्रमोट्स करता है किसको, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एज वेल एज ट्रांसलेशन. देन हाउ इट प्रमोट्स, ये कैसे करेगा, it is the main site. Promoter genes are the main site for initiation of RNA polymerase enzyme. RNA polymerase enzyme के इनिशिएट करने का मेन आरएनए पॉलीमरेज का इनिशिएशन का ये मेन साइट होता है, प्रमोटर जीन होता है. दैट इज इट अलाउज टू ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एंड देन ट्रांसलेशन. नाउ ऑपरेटर जीन. ऑपरेटर जीन have a capacity to switch on or switch off the system, that is it controls the transcription as well as translation. It start transcription as well as translation. पहले ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को स्टार्ट करेगा और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगा तो ट्रांसलेशन होगा. तो ये सिस्टम को ऑन और ऑफ करता है. ये कर सकता है, ऑफ भी कर सकता है और यह ऑन भी करता है, इसलिए इसे कहा जाता है ऑपरेटर जीन कहा जाता है. Now, operator gene and promoter gene and regulator gene, all these three genes combinedly forms regulator zone और regulatory zone. ये regulatory zone या regulator zone बोलते हैं, ये तीनों मिल करके बनाता है. Now, structural gene. Structural gene maybe in like operon there are three structural genes ZYA. So now these three genes are structural gene. It is the main site of transcription, that is formation of LAC mRNA. LAC mRNA, इस जगह पर, इस जीन के साइट पर क्या बनता है, mRNA बनता है. because in transcription mRNA messenger RNA is synthesized and then after transcription translation takes place and proteins are synthesized. Now all this process takes place at the surface of structural gene, that is at the surface of ZYA. So now these are the specific type of genes which help in formation of operon, and you can say it helps in regulation of gene by synthesis of mRNA or by preventing the mRNA, that is the transcription as well as translation. Means it occurs when it occurs by the help of repressor, then the system becomes switch off, that is transcription or translation do not take place. But if it occurs by the help of inducer, then the transcription as well as translation takes place. So there are two types of operon system, that is negative or positive. In next class I have to discuss about all these topics, but today is operon system. Okay.